instruction from Ministry of Culture, Government of India to organize special activities for children in our locality, within our reach, online, offline, both. So from the day one, we have been organizing different activities both way. In online activity on 14th, we joined with students of Keonjhar district as well as students coming to our center physically. On 15th, we had been to a particular school in Bhubaneswar where students are started coming in one day itself, and we joined together with them and we conducted a physical workshop there. What is the meaning of a workshop there? I tell you, we'll be doing something by our hand and thinking by our brain, supported by us. Today, we had been to one nearby school for a science demonstration that we have already arranged for you in your visit. This is today morning, but today afternoon, I kept in mind that I must reach you because that is why I started talking with sir, and the plan has been possible with the support of Aditya sir. And I am grateful to him, grateful to all of you, those who have joined. I inquired in between how many of the students would participate. Then it was uncertain, obviously, because that was no restriction. It is the link only and you have to join. And there was a request, even to you can reach your students, friends also. But anyhow, the number of students does not matter. Whoever has joined here will be doing a very beautiful experiment supported by me, and we will enjoy. And you all will show your video with your camera. Now, topic for today's activity I have already given, and that was understanding atmospheric pressure. Before we do the particular experiment that we have planned, let us discuss first about the topic of atmospheric pressure. Now, in this context, I would request each and everybody to interact because our experiment will be over only by 10 minutes. So it's not a big issue. Only issue is that how much we know till now on this topic is a point of concern for me. So one by one, I will be requesting you to discuss about the topic. Whatever you know, you discuss. Bhavya, may I request you to start discussion? Bhavya, you be louder.
So what is blast of it?
This one, I show with my camera. This is in your home.
That means a glass made of glass.
You may use this one or you may use the metallic also. That does not matter, right? So anything will help. Next. Bhavya, what is your doubt now?
I think he has gone to collect the glass tumblers. sir.
Acha, no problem. Now should we switch over to Aradhya?
The glass will not go.
I want to know you better because the audibility is there but clarity sometimes is missing. So you have to be very clear in your voice.
He's asking if the glass is going to break in the experiment.
No, not at all. If you are afraid, you may collect a metallic glass and then you switch over to a glass tumbler. So Aradhya, would you speak your idea about Yes, sir.
Aradhya, do you know what is atmosphere and what is atmospheric pressure?
No, sir.
Acha.
Anyone
We'll
else?
We'll discuss. Lavila?
Yes, sir. Lovely, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Sir,
you are-
pressure present in earth.
Pressure present in the earth. Who is asking? Aradhya?
No, sir,
Bhavya.
I start.
Acha, I see. Okay, no problem. We'll go one by one. Now, Bhavya has joined. Bhavya, yes, that will solve your problem. Any one of them, the smaller one will be better. So, what materials today we require, I tell you before starting the program. This is this. You have to be ready with one of these items. A piece of cotton that should be with you. Matchbox is with me also. What is this written here? Surgical spirit. Rectified spirit or surgical spirit, whatever it may be. But you should have a little bit of that. If you do not have, any oil will work. Any oil will work.
This much is okay.
Yes, only a little bit is required. And then this one, I have already told you, you take a single piece of newspaper and multi-fold it and then soak it in water, and then any plate, metallic or fiber, whatever it may be, and then what you are required to do, you have to place it on the plate. This is like this. So the item materials description. Now my point is that let us discuss one by one the concept of air surrounding earth and its weight on us and the concept of atmospheric pressure also. Then we will discuss about the experiment.
You may raise your hands, please, if anyone knows how to answer. What is the answer? Sir is asking how much you know about atmosphere or atmospheric pressure. Anyone with any idea, just you can share without any hesitation. Don't shy. Okay, lovely. You want to answer?
Sir, atmosphere is a blanket which surrounds the earth and is made up of various gases. So atmosphere is a blanket, gaseous blanket which surrounds the earth and has various gases like hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. And atmosphere.
Have you ever imagined how is the weight of the total atmosphere on us? The impact of weight on our head, on our body. Have you ever imagined?
No, sir.
Achha, no problem. We will discuss again. Then Aisa. I have requested you to unmute and answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, repeat your question.
My point is that ask yourself anytime a question about your atmospheric pressure and weight upon us.
No, sir.
I request Aradhya to unmute and answer if you know. I hope you denied in the beginning.
Sir, he said he doesn't know.
Acha. Now Devarchana,
Yes, sir.
would you answer something? atmosphere has got lot of weight on us. So now I tell you, listen, all of you carefully listen to me,
Yes.
and the idea is like this. So air is surrounding us everywhere, and air has got weight because it is a material body, and that weight gives us feeling of pressure. You might know the people who go to space, they have a special suit for them. If they do not wear that suit, they can't survive in this space. And that space suit is so designed, it has to be pressurized, and then it exerts a pressure on our body throughout, and then we will feel comfortable. And you know, when you go up and up above the surface of the earth, gradually the layer of the atmosphere reduces, so also the atmospheric pressure gets reduced, and that is why you have now got some idea about the mountaineering people. They must use pressure cooker on the mountain tops to boil their dal. Why? Because I tell you the story behind. If you plan to boil dal on the mountain top at a temperature of 60 degree or 70 degree, the dal starts boiling, but it will not suitable for eating. It will boil at a low temperature, but at a low temperature, the granules of the dal will not be dissolved. It will be single pieces, and that you cannot take. So you have to use a pressure cooker on the top of the mountain to cook dal, rice, etc. Now by using that pressure cooker, your temperature will increase, and it will create an extra pressure, and as a result of extra pressure, the liquid, that is water, starts boiling at a higher temperature, say for example 100 or 120, and on that temperature everything will be cooked properly. So this is what all about the concept of atmosphere getting thinner on the upper level of the atmosphere, and gradually it will vanish in space. And that is why I told you these space persons, they use a special dress, a special suit, pressurize their cabin, pressurize their body, everything. And that's why you know International Space Station, those crew members who are going there for research are living inside a pressurized cabin. Even if they want to come out for any sort of maintenance and repairing work or for experimentation, they use their space suit to come out. Otherwise, their blood pipes will burst. Remember, the blood pipes in the body need an external pressure. Otherwise, they will come out rupturing your pipes. That happens in space because you know the pressure in which your blood is pumped inside the body is very high, and if the pressure outside is very low, obviously there will be a difference of pressure, and the blood will ooze out, and the pipes will be damaged, ruptured. So you imagine if the blood comes out of your body, how do you survive then? This is what a big challenge for the humans to survive in this space, and that is why nature is very powerful and intelligent to design everything. So man has taken part, not only man, kept inside the atmosphere. That means lot of pressure is maintained on them. Because I told you the air surrounding us is a material body and it has got tremendous weight. And as far as pressure is concerned, I will tell you a simple example. You are having a blunt needle and a very fine needle, and you think of yourself, you have experience. If you want to give an injection to your skin, suppose, in your body at a point, if you take a blunt needle, you will feel lot of pain, but there will be no injection. If you take a very fine needle, immediately the needle will go inside our muscle and we feel a little pain only for a fraction of a second, and then the medicines are injected into our body. So this is what pressure is defined. You know, the fine needle has got tremendous pressure and it goes through our muscles immediately. Another experiment, another experience I tell you. If you take a razor blade and if you take a blunt knife, you might have experienced razor blades cut our body within a moment. In the absence of our knowledge, that cuts our skin. When blood comes out, we only detect that we have got a cut on our body. But a blunt knife, you can't cut. Similarly, while cutting vegetables, you know, a sharp knife is able to cut the vegetable very quickly, but the blunt knife is very difficult to cut it. So from these three experiences, we feel a term we call pressure. That means when the knife is very fine, sharp, it creates enormous pressure on our vegetables and vegetables are cut properly. So also the needle, as I told you. And now we come to the understanding of pressure created by atmosphere. That is very funny to understand the atmospheric pressure, because normally we don't feel what is atmospheric pressure. Pratyanshu, would you speak something?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Astronauts don't wear that space suit, they're so their blood pipes will burst. From that I think because we are living on Earth and there is pressure of atmosphere upon us, the pipe doesn't burst out because it holds it within a pressure.
Exactly. We are tightly bound by the pressure.
Yes, sir.
Enormous pressure acts upon our body from all directions, and that is a blessing for all of us. Am I right now? Okay. Now, I was discussing about various experiences we have in our daily life. Now, my point is that, because nature is so powerful and intelligent, I have already told you, we have got air inside our body. We inhale air inside. So, air inside and air outside, and the pressure, they cancel each other, and we don't feel the tremendous pressure. Otherwise, we will be squeezed. Sometimes heavy containers are squeezed by the atmosphere. I did one experiment to show a small child of standard 6 some years back, I remember. I took a coconut oil container, metallic container. I made hole surface on the entrance side, little bigger because the hole was already there for taking the oil out. Then I boiled the water there. The vapor came out through the hole, and what I did immediately, I closed that hole with a stopper, and within a moment I took the container out from the gas by the help of a wet cotton, and then I dipped it inside a bucket of water, and within 30 seconds of time we could see the container was squeezed, was bending and making sounds, and I could saw also the student. See, this is the impact of the atmospheric pressure. If some container is devoid of air, if suppose air will not be there inside, then only you will feel that how powerful the surrounding air is for us. And to do that, we are now ready to perform the experiment. Now, you all compare your items. One by one, I want to see and check the items that are available to completing the experiment today in your home. So I start with Pratyanshu. Would you show all the materials you have collected for doing the experiment?
Sir, I couldn't collect a steel plate, but I have collected wool cotton balls, a matchbox.
See, I tell two participants have raised their hands. I understand. Let me complete with Pratyanshu and then I will switch over, please. Any plate in your kitchen will serve it, as I have. See, this is my plate. I have taken it from my home. Do you have this in your kitchen?
No, sir, I don't have plastic, but I have ceramic and metal.
Yes, that will do. No problem. So get your ceramic plate with you now,
Okay, sir.
and a piece of soaked newspaper, multi-folded. Have you got it ready?
So I have only brought a dry paper.
No, it has to be soaked in a bucket of water.
Okay, sir.
For 1 minute, soak it, and
Okay.
then take it out, and water should be out, and it should be totally wet.
Okay, sir.
This is first requirement. This is a very important requirement for all of us. Pratyanshu, you have that tumbler?
Sir, I have a glass actually.
You show me what is that? Yes, that will do. No problem. You have cotton?
Yes, sir.
You have a matchbox with you?
Yes, sir.
You have a spirit with you?
No, sir, I haven't arranged spirit, but I have arranged sanitizer.
See, a little bit of oil will be necessary for you. No spirit even required, right? Little bit of oil. In your kitchen you do have sunflower oil, refined oil, whatever oil. Ask mommy to give you a little bit of oil in a small cup,
Okay, sir.
and dip that cotton inside that oil cup. So that my target is that this cotton will burn with the support of the oil only. So do not take extra oil. Only a little bit of oil to make the cotton soaked only. So get it ready. Then we will switch over to others. Then who has raised the hands? Acha, what is your question?
No, sir, I have a matchbook.
Let me pin you. You show me. One by one, you show me your materials. spirit, that bottle is open or not?
पूरी कर लो।
If that is having a seal, you have to break open the seal.
चलो
Now, you just show me that your bottle can open. And your cotton must be soaked in spirit before you do the experiment, but not now. Plate is ready. This is soaked newspaper, I think. And background plate is there. Can you show me the backside of the plate? Okay, no problem. So you are ready. Now, Lavali,
So I believe all of you understand what needs to be arranged, right? तो अगर किसी ने अरेंज नहीं किया है अभी जाकर अरेंज कर लो एंड वंस यू आर रेडी जस्ट कीप योर हैंड्स रेज्ड, अपने हाथ उठा लो। हु इज देयर इन गैलेक्सी M11?
Galaxy M11, please unmute and answer.
My name is Ruth Devuda sir.
Acha, in which school you are reading?
Saint Xavier High School.
Again, please.
Saint Xavier High School.
Acha, Kotak.
Yes.
Acha. Now you show all your items. Is that newspaper soaked in water?
Yes.
You can further soak it in water before you do the experiment. You will take it out. You get it soaked in the bucket of water now. Acha, you have matchbox?
Yes.
You have tumbler?
Yes.
Good, very good. So we shift to Alice.
Yes, sir.
Alice, quickly show all your items.
This is the soaked newspaper.
Your paper is wet,
Yes,
heavily wet or dried till now?
it's wet.
Before you do the experiment, you again soak it in water.
Okay.
And your tumbler? Oh, this tumbler you replace with another normal tumbler like this.
Okay.
If you do not have a glass tumbler, you can collect a steel also.
Okay. This one.
Yes, that will do.
Okay.
Okay, so I now switch over to Aisa. Aisa, unmute yourself and I pin you and you show all your items. Aisa, paper, you get it soaked in water now.
Yes, sir, I soaked in water.
Continue for some time so you know it appears to me that it is dried. The dryness is there.
Okay, sir.
So you are having cotton
Yes, sir.
and you are having coconut oil to burn the cotton.
Yes, sir.
See, only one problem will occur with oil. The glass tumbler will be black inside for a certain time. That is the only problem. If you take spirit, the tumbler will not be blackened because the oil, when it burns, that produces carbon soot. Am I right? So no
Sir,
problem.
nail polish remover will work.
Is it colored or plain?
Sir, plain.
Then it will work.
Okay, sir.
Because you need a little bit of that liquid to soak the cotton and we can burn it at the time of our need, right?
Yes, sir.
And next, who are left behind? Lavali, I think you are over.
No, sir.
So, could you show your items quickly?
Sir, I have soaked my newspaper.
Acha. And everything, other things ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, who are left behind, please? unmute yourself and come forward, please.
Devachana, Bhavya, are you ready with your stuff?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Then show to sir, no?
Sir, I am sure.
Okay, good. Bhavya, not Bhavya Sanganiri, I'm talking Bhavya Chetan. Bhavya Chetan, have you shown to sir?
No, sir.
Show it to sir then.
Sir, this is tumbler and this is my wet newspaper with the steel plate.
And other
And,
items?
Here is my cutter and here is the coconut oil, the matchbox and the spirit.
So your cotton should be reduced. You do not take that much volume of cotton.
Things like this.
Is it really cotton or a cloth?
Sir, cotton.
So you take a little bit only, as I show you. This is my cotton. I take only a bit.
Sir, this much?
Now make it squeezed. Who is next, please? Come upon quickly. You do not delay.
Sir, this spirit will work.
Yes, that will work.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. This is called, managing your household items within your intelligence.
सर आज जैसा हूँ
Yes, speak. Aradhya, you tell first. Any problem with
I
you?
want to show my material.
Yes, you saw. Little up. You saw your items little up so that your camera can pick up quickly. Is that paper soaked
Yes,
in water?
yes,
Acha. Okay. You have matchbox?
yes, sir.
You have spirit?
Yes, sir.
Can I see your bottle? Acha, you did only little, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember how it takes the spirit out of that bottle? By opening the cap.
Sir, it is spray.
Acha, it is a spray. So you can spray the spirit on the cotton, right? I understand. So the moment I speak you soak your cotton with spirit, then you have to spray it, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, who is left behind? Come forward, please.
Sir,
Come forward one by one. Devarchana, have you shown?
Sir, I want to show my metal.
You can show.
Sir, this is the newspaper and this is the clay. And sir, this is the cotton.
Hey, cotton, thoda little, only little take. That much not necessary for us. A small only, a small amount. Yes, that will work.
And sir, it is matchstick.
Yes.
And sir, this is the tumbler.
Okay, good. And your plate?
Sir, my plate is this.
Already there with paper, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Who is next? Because
may I show
we will
my
start doing
materials?
the experiment now. Get ready.
Sir,
Ah,
so may I show my materials?
yes. Quickly. Your name, please? Devarchana? Acha, lovely. You saw?
Yes. So this is my plate with the soap paper. And so this is the oil, sir.
Acha, what oil you have taken?
Sir, refined sunflower oil.
Okay, next.
So this is the cotton.
Cotton थोड़ा reduce करना है आपको. You have to reduce the cotton
This
because the
much?
cotton volume is more.
This
So that will do.
So this is the tumbler
Yes.
and this is the matchstick.
Okay. You know how to got the matchstick?
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. Now you are ready. Who is next? Left behind. Come forward quickly because I do not know everybody's name. That is why it is a problem to me. You come forward of your own, sir. We are already over.
We are already over.
Okay. me your items.
So I have wet paper on the plate.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So then I have taken cotton soaked in spirit
Hmm.
or sanitizer and
Already your cotton is soaked with spirit.
yes, sir.
Hey, this is not required because I told you whenever we start the experiment, then only we put the spirit there because spirit will vaporize.
Okay, sir.
So don't wait with spirit now. The moment I tell you, you will do that. So all of you get ready. I feel myself and I will be active with my other camera, video camera.
Children, wait for some time. Sir is trying to log in from another camera.
Children, I am ready. You can see my camera is focusing on my items properly. Now I will further focus it. Yes. Everything I can share. Now I am getting ready. On your table, keep the soak paper tight. And what is next? Get ready with your
Your voice is not audible and your video is also clean.
voice not audible now.
Not is audible, but your video is clean.
No, sir, your video is alright.
Maybe that may be network problem at your side. Just wait for some time.
No, my point is, children, actually I have taken the tabletop experiment into focus, not my face, right? You see my items clearly. Everything is clear, neat and clean. Now, what I am doing, I am putting the spirit here. See, putting the spirit there and then taking it out with my idea. I keep the bottle separate and this spirit soaked cotton on this particular wet newspaper. And now get ready because you are having a warning. Now get ready to burn the cotton with your matchbox. I'm now getting ready to burn it. You can see I'm burning. Wait for a moment and then allow the cotton to burn. And when burning, you make the tumbler upside down and post it down tight. Wait for 30 seconds of time and then I can show you. If I lift the tumbler show you the reverse. The reverse is very interesting because you may think that one way possible, the other way may not be possible. But you can see if I use this way also, any way, any side, the tumbler will not fall down. And this is miraculous to me. And now I show it again. I hold this tumbler, but the plate is lifted along with the newspaper. Now if you be very careful, by this time there is no fire burning inside. It is already extinguished. And if you wait, if you have patience, leave it as such and try in between. I promise up to 1 hour at least, till the paper is wet, this process will continue. And I want now all other experiments to see who has done. Any problem with anybody? Who is speaking, please? Sir, can you take the control of the children?
Yeah, what exactly is your problem? It is not lifting up. Was your paper very wet? पूरा गीला था पेपर तुम्हारा? दिखाओ अपना वीडियो दिखाओ, क्या हो रहा है प्रॉब्लम? हाँ, तुम्हारा अभी तक तो जला नहीं है. Is it burned? आपने आग लगाया उसमें? आप पहले आग लगाओ फिर उसको कवर करो.
While putting the tumbler, you have to apply a little bit of pressure. That is important.
इसको गीला करो कॉटन को. राइट, पुट इट ऑन.
paper tight करो. Wait for 10 seconds and then try to lift. I think process is over. You can lift now. System is ready. Don't be afraid. You now lift. Yes,
Great.
Now who wants to verify one by one? We want to see. This is important. Everybody should do it in our presence.
एक एक करके दिखाओ. Just try to show. Right. If you're ready, raise your hand. Yeah, I see some raised hands. I'm going to. Very nice. Very nice.
One by one, we will pin you. Now, who is pinned?
Wait moment. I'm first pinning Alice. Alice.
Sir, whom I have pinned already. Some Sahu.
Okay.
I do not know who is Mr. Sahu.
Actually, he is the boy who talked to you moments back.
Acha.
I'm pinning from my side. I'm spotlighting Alice.
Okay.
And everybody, please turn on your video. Right? Alice, show yours. Good. Sir, is it visible to you, sir?
Alice, repeat again in my front. That's a good idea. And upside down, you hold on now the plate and let us see whether your tumbler holds there or not. उल्टा
Turn
करके
over.
पकड़ो, उल्टा करके पकड़ो।
प्लेट को पकड़ो, ग्लास को छोड़ दो। प्लेट को हाथ में उठाओ, प्लेट को, अरे निकाल दिया कि
Does it come out?
yes, it is coming out.
Yes.
So can we repeat the experiment now again?
फिर से रिपीट करो।
Yes.
Somebody should be there with your support. Either father, mother, somebody. Is there anybody with you?
Yes.
Yes. Now get the experiments ready before us and focus your camera properly.
Sir,
Alice, you can see in my video the plate is still together. So it is a very beautiful process, continues for at least half an hour.
sir, sir, may I show mine?
Alice, you get ready by this time.
Yes, sir. I'll do it again.
Yes, you have to repeat. And you know, while you place the tumbler on the button, you have to press little hard. It should not be very light. You have to hard press it for 10 seconds only.
Okay, sir.
Then, sir, next. Devarchana. Devarchana, have you done the
Yes, sir.
experiment?
Sir, I have not burned. Now I am going to burn.
Okay, you show your experimental setup by your camera. Only I can see you, but not your devices. So focus your camera properly to the table where you do the experiment. While pressing the tumbler, be careful to hold it tight for 10 seconds of time. And now the system might be ready. You can lift your tumbler and see the plate also lifts.
Sir, may I show mine?
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Big hand to you.
Sir, see.
Yes, I have seen and it is performing excellent. And you check. उल्टा करके देखो. You hold the plate and the glass will be lifted automatically. But be careful. Sometimes the glass falls down and be ready so that it does not break. नीचे एक टॉवेल को मल्टी फोल्ड करके पकड़ के रखो so that you know if the glass falls down it will not break. And remember there should be no air surrounding. Yes, that is great. Experiment is successful.
Sir,
Experiment is successful. Next we switch over to
sir, may I show mine?
Pratyanshu. Can I see Pratyanshu?
So mine is not working. I am trying with oil.
Who is not working? Can you tell me?
After burning, when I am pressing the glass hard, the glass is getting lifted up.
Yes. Oh, when you lift the glass, the only glass is lifted.
Yes, sir.
That means you know when you place your tumbler on the wet paper, it was not tight enough.
So I pressed it very hard.
सामने करो एक बार, देख लेते हैं क्या होता है.
How will I show? Yes, sir. Sir, can you see?
पेपर वेट है तो
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इसको टाइट करके प्लेट के साथ चिपकाओ.
Yes, sir.
Then put your button there, soak with spirit.
Sir, try with oil?
Yes, ऑयल में डिप करो.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. So I have soaked it in refined oil. Yes, sir.
No problem.
Okay, sir. So now.
Now burn it.
Okay, sir.
उसको कुछ टाइम के लिए बर्निंग करो. Let it burn for some seconds. मैस्टिक को आराम से पानी में डालो. कॉटन बर्न कर रहा है.
No, sir. No, sir. When I was doing with sanitizer, it was burning, but now it is not.
और एक बार जलाओ. कॉटन तो अच्छा से सोख हुआ है ना.
Yes, sir.
ये मेरे को पता नहीं लग रहा है, थोड़ा ड्राई लग रहा है.
Yes, I think it's dry. I'm soaking it with spirit. Yes, sir.
अभी जलाओ तो.
Yes, sir.
See, the whole experiment lies there only. If the cotton doesn't burn properly, then the experiment will fail.
Okay, sir.
और एक कॉटन को बर्न करने में इतना दिक्कत क्यों हो रहा है?
Sir, I'm trying to. Yes, sir. Started to burn.
Now let it burn for some seconds, 10 seconds, then you put the tumbler there down. अभी टम्बलर को उल्टा करके प्रेस करो. टाइट. Put it there for 10 seconds of time with pressure, right?
Yes, sir.
And we will see the effect next. I think 10 seconds of time is over. Now you can lift the glass. अच्छा, ये प्रेशर का मामला है. If it does not happen with oil, collect some spirit and then try it with spirit now, right?
I tried this with spirit.
अरे ये तो होना चाहिए. देखो मेरा तो अभी तक नहीं गिरा हुआ है. So you have to do it and you have to post your video in WhatsApp. But continue
Is
to
it
do.
because the weight of the plate?
ज्यादा नहीं है प्लेट का वेट, वो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. और एक बार करो हमारा सामने. उल्टा करके ग्लास को दबाओ. प्रेशर डालो थोड़ा.
I think he needs to double fold the paper.
Mostly because you know
Yeah.
there is a gap between glass and paper.
Correct. Pratinsh, you try to take newspaper, maybe 3-4 folds, or maybe double fold or triple fold the paper, then soak it and do it. It should work.
Now can I see if you lift what happens? Acha, you have to multi-fold your paper again and again and then do the experiment, right?
So can I fold this paper once again?
Now you can second fold. Oh, इतना पतला तुमने दिया था.
That's
अच्छा,
the
the
problem.
paper should be thick enough.
So it is about 3 millimeter.
3 millimeters. How did you know
Actually,
that?
Paper was very thin. That is why the experiment is not becoming successful. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
You can repeat this experiment now and show me again. अच्छा Aisa, who is next?
Sir, can I?
Who is this?
Sir, me? Sir, can I?
No, my point is that tell me your name, please, so that I can click you
Sir,
again
my name is Bhavya Chetan.
one by one. Bhavya, you have shown?
Sir?
Bhavya, I pin you. Can you show? Oh, that's a good, very good experiment. Is it successful done? Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Lovely.
Yes, sir.
What about your experiment successful?
Yes, sir.
Aisa,
Yes, sir.
successful?
Yes, sir.
Alice,
Sir. Sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Why is there so much water rise up?
ऊपर गीला है ना, इसीलिए तो पानी थोड़ा ऊपर उठेगा. Because of
Okay,
air
sir.
pressure. Because of air pressure.
Okay, sir.
प्रत्यांशु मल्टीफोल्ड करके इसको टेस्ट करो अगेन. अच्छा, एक दूसरा एक न्यूज़पेपर शीट लेके आओ 2 पेज का, एकदम बड़ा पेज
Sir?
लेके आओ 2 पेज का.
Yes, sir.
उसको मल्टीफोल्ड करो और पानी में डुबाओ, उसको सोक करो.
Okay, sir.
I now pin myself to show the video again.
Sir,
1 minute.
I am Aradhya. May I?
1 minute, children. This is my video. It is still operating. And if I can show you upside down also, the same process continuing. It is the simplest of the experiments for our children at home. Who is coming forward next to show me?
Aradhya.
Aradhya, where are you?
Sir, I am raising hand.
You start. That's a good idea. Lovely. Excellent. नीचे टॉवेल है ना, अगर ग्लास गिरेगा तो नीचे see on the table top you should have a protection. A towel should be there so that you know if the glass falls by chance it will not break. Acha, how many left behind? Those who have not done till now. Who is Redmi? Who is Redmi?
Pratik, you joined really very late. What's the matter? Pratik, when did you join? You joined recently? Now? Okay. We missed all the fun this time. Sir, rest everybody has already shown. Is it so, sir?
I hope many of them have done it completely,
Excellent.
and only 1 or 2 they have not able to. Devarchana, you are still successful?
Yes.
Acha, very good. Aisa? Yes, yeah, I understand. But you know, Devarchana, one thing you take a note, your paper should be folded again and again so that the total surface area of the plate equal to the paper area, right?
Okay, sir.
So what you have done now, you have taken the paper area out of the plate. You look at me.
Yes, sir.
My plate and my glass, they are almost same.
Yes, sir.
Chetan, Bhavya Chetan, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Can I see? Oh, I understand. And Bhavya Sangnara?
Sir, I have shown
Hmm? So Bhavya Sangnara, actually, have you done?
you. Yes, sir, I have shown you.
You have shown me.
Yes, sir.
So, what is this experiment describing all of us? Now, listen to me carefully. Whenever we burn a piece of cotton, it hits the air inside the tumbler and expands it and removes it partially. So, because it removes some of the air from inside the tumbler, when we put the tumbler tight, the partial vacuum is created. And because the partial vacuum is created inside the tumbler, the external air wants to enter inside and thereby exerts a pressure on the surface of the tumbler and the plate same time. Pratyanshu is doing. Now let us all follow him.
Sir, can you unpin me?
Hmm?
Sir, can you unpin me?
Who?
Sir, me, Bhavya Chetan.
No, I have pinned only Pratyanshu now.
Oh, sir, you have spotlight Bhavya Chetan. Yes, sir, now it is correct.
Spirit is not there. I think the cotton is wet by this time.
Pratyanshu, what have you used for getting the cotton wet?
The spirit means sanitizer.
He's spraying something. Actually, you spray little more.
Make it completely wet, soaked, because that is the fuel which is going to burn.
Anyway, that is the problem, because it is a sprayer item, it is getting vaporized quickly and getting out from the cotton. And that is the whole problem is like there. By this time you are burning, the liquid is already out.
So should I spotlight anyone else?
Yes. If you want, you can do so. I want to know, sir, actually, why is making delay? By this time you spray again, then match it. Now then burn it.
Should I put
Yes, you place it now. Tight. You lift now.
अरे कौन कौन चुका जीवन से एक्सपेरिमेंट कर चुका अच्छा
See, you have to replace that spray with liquid. That is important.
so that the paper is puffed up?
Or then you have to replace the paper also. work actually. You have to make it again fold, so it has to be thick only. क्या घर में पेपर नहीं है क्या आपका?
Sir, actually we don't have paper.
Oh.
Sir, you can shift to anyone else. Let him try.
Yeah, my point is, sir, actually, where is the fault we have to observe? That is most important for all of us, not only for me.
So, there is also another aspect here. The plate is also has a kind of embossing, a bevel inside it. It is depressed in the middle. Is it going to affect? Does it have to be a flat one, extremely flat one?
See, actually, that will not matter that much. Let us see this time now. Can you lift now? Yes, that works. That works. Finally, it works. Science wins.
Yes, sir.
That's a great thing. Now, anybody left?
It is also upside down.
That's a good idea. So now, friends, all of you are requested to write a note and submit it to me on group, so that I want to see who has written in a beautiful manner.
Sir, I think this was because the paper was not so much thick.
That is what a big problem you have faced.
Sir, I saw actually one person who is balancing 4 glasses with the on a tray with the one glass in the middle.
Can you speak to me again?
So I saw that one person has put the glass in the middle of a rectangle tray, and he has put 4 glasses in the corner, and he is able to balance. Means he can balance all the 4 glasses with. Means he can lift up them up and keep them upside down with one glass in hand.
Can it be performed?
Yes, sir. I think it can be performed.
So let us
He also
actually
used
see
a big tissue paper.
if you do actually, you post it in the group and I will see that, right?
Okay, sir.
Because I am there in your group, so it will be very helpful for me to see all your experiments. So children, I hope we have enjoyed a lot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you really enjoy
Yes,
a lot,
sir.
then come to the chat box and write down that, sir, really we enjoyed it. One by one, you write everybody, and I want to see the chat box. Come to the chat box and write down your feedback. Sir, we enjoyed or we did not enjoy. That is what I want to write there.
For that I had brought three cotton balls. Because I didn't need.
Okay, no problem.
And there is one cotton ball.
So the whole system, I request Sir to conclude.
Sir, you told we have to send a note on what
finished with the students, sir?
My activity is over and you have to conclude it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Sir,
much.
Bhavya, sir, I am really shocked. Why shocked? Whether the wording is wrong or right.
One moment, sir.
And I enjoyed a lot. I will show this, try to my friends. It is good, but why you are shocked?
Shocked to see this means you are trying to say you are surprised. Bhavya Chetan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So, do you mean by shocked means you are surprised to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, shock is generally a negative word, right? We don't use it that way. For example, you see a snake inside your drawing room, then you get shocked. Huh? But when
Yes, sir.
you use the right word. Sir, he meant actually he's surprised.
Oh, I understand now.
Sir, Lovely, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I request on everybody's behalf, on the behalf of the students, you convey vote of thanks to sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving us your precious time and sharing such helpful ideas and informations about atmospheric pressure. It really meant a lot to us. This workshop made me this workshop made us more interested in science, and we grew more curiosity on this topic as we understood the concepts well. Once again, thank you very much, sir.
So I think you made us saw this experiment in the science park, also in the popular science gallery.
This is one of the best and favorite item to show children with a little of effort that atmospheric pressure is tremendous.
Yes, they we tried to pull the suction glass, but it didn't came out.
That is what I love this experiment, and that is why I passed on this experiment to you with my guidance. I am doing here. See, it is still with me. Still with me.
Yes, still hanging.
I just hit the lower part of the plate, and the glass came out.
See, I tell you, you can lift a plate of 5 kg with your tumbler. At least. This is so
And-
powerful.
Aisha, you are trying to say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, say.
Sir, instead of cotton, we can use candle.
Candle, see what I tell you, with cotton and spirit the temperature is very high, but with candle the temperature is low and the experiments is like
Actually, many people send videos
Sir, how?
they're doing in candle.
you can try with your safety precautions. I find the candle, the glass surface blackened and everything.
Sir, why there is pressure difference?
Because you remove the part of the air inside the tumbler to outside, and that is why there is a pressure difference and the pressure acts.
Okay, sir.
Aisha, what is that thing in the air which burns actually? What gas in the atmosphere air that burns the candle? Aisha, this is a question to you.
Sir, carbon dioxide. Sir,
Carbon
oxygen.
dioxide. It is the
Sir,
oxygen, right? And does anybody remember in this group what is the percentage of oxygen in air?
21%.
21%.
21%. So that means inside the tumbler, whatever oxygen was there, that got burned, right?
Yes, sir.
So then definitely there is going to be a pressure difference, right?
But sir, actually in this moment, actually I will tell you this experiment in terms of oxygen consumed. That concept of oxygen getting consumed means the same amount of carbon dioxide is again produced, right, sir?
Absolutely right.
So no loss, no gain situation is there inside that. If you consider that point of view, but if you consider that the air expands before you put the tumbler on the plate and escapes, and then only you create a partial partial vacuum inside that, and then only the outside pressure exerts, and then
Very nice. Thank you so
So
much.
is that the same thing which happens with suction pump?
suction pump.
Sir, suction pump.
Yes, same thing happens because you remove the air by manually.
Yes, sir.
done manually and this is done by him.
So, and all of you, those who have attended today's workshop, you are going to draw a picture, like draw it out how this thing happened. Okay, means what is the secret behind it. You try to draw and explain it with the help of drawings and submit it to me, and I will send it to sir. Yeah, you saw something to happen, right? सर ने कुछ अभी एक्सप्लेन किया कि एयर निकल गया, फिर जब एयर निकल गया उसके बाद प्रेशर डिफरेंस शुरू हुआ, उसको ड्रॉ करके बता सकते हो कोई? अगर बता सकते हो तो अच्छी बात, राइट?
Yes, sir.
You try to do that. Sir, again I thank you.
Okay, sir.
No, we have to leave, sir. Sir is very busy. He has given us a lot of time today. We thank him for that. So all of you say again, unmute yourselves and say thanks to sir from the bottom if you have.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you,
I'm very happy that we did the experiment. May not be very large number of students join with us, but I'm happy that we have done, and everybody is successful.
Sir, I think all these people who remained absent today, maybe because of some reason, they will be
Right,
able
that
to
is not the matter, sir. Matter does not there. Matter is we have to do whatever the number of students are there.
Sure, sir. Thank you again.
So much, sir.
Thank you again, sir, for your giving us valuable time.